Okay, a little continuation from yesterday's video. I remembered I had these little magnets. They're pretty strong. So what I did is I super glued 4 of them to the back of this, and it works pretty good. I might put another 1 or 2. I might put 6 on each of these, or at least 5. And I tried it out. It works pretty good. So I wasted a couple bucks on these stupid flat ones, but oh well. So I'm going to glue the rest of these on here. Okay, I said I wasn't going to do this, but I'm going to do it. There's my security light. It just came on. That's how bright it is. It stays on dim. I've got it set so it stays on dim. And then it gets bright as you approach it. Now the Walmart one is in the back here. And it's on dim. I've got it down here. We'll see how bright it gets. It gets bright, but not as bright. As you can see, that's a whiter light and a brighter light. And this is a yellow light. And I put one on this side. That's the dim. There, the bright just came on. That's pretty darn bright. So yeah, it's working. Works good. I put 6 magnets on it. I'll show you. Yeah, see, I ended up putting six magnets on. It works a lot better. I'm pleased now.